Those working in the fuel tanker sector of the motor industry may be getting ready for the upcoming Fuel Tanker Conference. The event happens once every 2 years, and it is now just over a week until the next one, which will be taking place at the National Motorcycle Museum in Birmingham. The Freight Transport Association, which is in charge of running the event, has reminded anyone interested that there are still a few places left and that those who would want to go should book sooner rather than later to make sure they get a place. This fuel tanker conference is intended to make sure fleet managers and vehicle engineers working in their very specific sector of transport operation are updated on things that are happening in their line of work. Some of the areas that will be covered as part of the conference include future legislation and enforcement priorities. Attendees will also get best practice advice to make sure their operation is completely safe, efficient and compliant. Among the talks that are to be expected at the event is one that will focus on construction issues and research into tanker integrity, which will be led by the Transport Research Laboratory and Health and Safety Laboratory from the Department of Transport. The Vehicle Certification Agency will also be leading a talk on tanker approval, while the Driver and Vehicle Standards Agency will be speaking about fuel tanker ADR testing and enforcement. One of the areas that those working in the fuel tanker sector must stay on top of is health and safety. As such, the Health and Safety Executive will be leading a presentation on safety issues. What's more, the FTA and the United Kingdom Petroleum Industry Association will be leading a presentation on the relaunch of the Safe Loading Pass scheme. The Fuel Tanker Conference will take place on Tuesday, December the 2nd and cost £325 for FTA members plus VAT. This story was made possible by QBE, the business insurance specialist.